So I'm definitely getting 100 watts out. It seems like I'm getting RF somewhere into the truck, and the truck doesn't like it. We get the Radio Shack watt meter. KEG 7 HVR test 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 full power, full power. So we put the meter. What is it set to? It's on SWR. Okay. Full power. 200 watt scale. KEG 7 HVR test 1 2 3 4. Hello 1 2. So I'm looking at where am I at on that scale. I think I'm on between the 500 and the 1000 mark, which it makes it really hard to read this thing. Let me show you guys up a little closer. KEG 7 HVR test 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I'm on a 200 watt scale. Hold on. I just bumped my VFO. So there's actually somebody on the radio right here. Okay. Let me show you what it does on FM. You'll hear the truck. It's a full 100 watts. It's being a little bit less than 100 on sideband. And then AM. About 50 on AM. Test 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I doubt I'll be doing 29 megahertz AM driving down the road, but so anyway, adjusting that antenna has obviously made a difference. We can shorten it a little bit more and do a little bit better later on. Catch you guys later.